rectangle.
I'm going to start it with a rectangle.
Yeah.
Start point. Come across 38. Enter. Go back. Going to turn around a bit. In the green, 20. Back 38. And back to the start. Get a circle tool. Make sure it says 24 sides in the corner. If it doesn't, you just type in 24, enter. And then from the midpoint of each line, click, drag to the outside, click, drag to the outside, to a radius of 10. This matches the drawing. And then again in the middle, the centre, you come out diameter 10, which is radius 5. And the same on that side. Eraser tool. Get rid of all these extra lines that we don't want. Right click, erase, right click, erase. And then we can push pull and lift it up 8 millimeters. 8, enter. And I'm going to flip it around so I can just see the front. And get the line tool. Click, slide along here till I see midpoint. There we go. So it's a blue dot and midpoint. Click and drag up in the blue 11, I think it is. To 11, enter. And we're going to use that as a centre of the 3 circles. So click and drag out. Make sure that you're locked onto red or blue. You don't want to be going up at an angle. So come across. And the first one is diameter 10, so radius 5. 5, enter. Next one's diameter 14, so half of that, radius 7. The next one is diameter 10, is it?
Yeah.
No.
It's radius 10.
Radius 10, so we just type in 10. Erase. Get rid of that, get rid of that. Get rid of that. So push pull that back to this back edge and let go. And if we come round, you should be able to click on this, drag it back. You notice how it's got a hole in there, the front's gone. So to get around that, if you just do edit undo, we're going to right click reverse face, right click reverse face. So when I drag it, it's the right colour. But before I pull it back, I'm going to press Control on the keyboard once, CTRL, and then you notice on the push pull there's a little plus arrow. So if I pull that back and stop on this back line and go at the front, see how it's now got the face on, so just right click reverse face. And again, Control on the keyboard, click and drag out. Right click, reverse faces. Push pull, that bit out. 4 millimeters is it? Daisy's now got that on her iPad.
I knew it anyway.
So we're coming out 4 millimeters it says, so 4, enter. Now get the select tool. I'm just going to go on these, right click, hide, right click, hide, right click, hide, right click, hide. That one I'll delete, 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 delete. Right click, hide.
I thought it was meant to be like a camera.
Delete, 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 delete. Okay, and then circle tool again. Press or hold the mouse so it's over the top of an endpoint. Then move to a second one, anywhere. You need to wait until it flashes up with endpoint. And then when you move this into the middle, it'll snap to a blue dot that says centre. So you can then just click once and drag out and complete the circle. Now the last part of the drawing that you need to do is to get the line tool, look directly at the front, and from this edge here, you need to come straight down, so it curves round and straight down, rather than what we can see on this side where it curves back in on itself. So just straight down, come round the back, and just pull it across. Round this side, pull it across, erase, erase, hide, hide, erase, erase. Done.